If you're planning to sell your home, prepping it properly can make all the difference between a quick sell at a great price and a listing that drags on or sells for less than you hoped. Today, I'm going to walk you through the key steps to get your home market ready so you can attract serious buyers, stand out in your neighborhood, and maximize your return. So 1, start with a deep clean and declutter. This is foundational. Buyers want to imagine living in your home, and clutter or mess can make rooms feel cramped and distracting. Declutter each room. Clear off kitchen counters, pack away excess decor, organize closets. Storage space is a huge selling point, so make your closets and cabinets look spacious and neat. Pack personal items. Family photos, collectibles, or bold artwork can make it harder for buyers to see themselves living there. Put these away to create a neutral, inviting environment. Deep clean every corner. This means scrubbing the floors, the windows, the baseboards, bathrooms, and kitchens. Consider hiring personal cleaners for carpets and upholstery, since fresh carpets can really elevate a home's feel. Next up, repairs and maintenance. Small issues can turn off buyers or lead to low offers, so it's best to just fix it up front. Check for leaky faucets, running toilets, cracked tiles, loose doorknobs, or broken light switches. These minor fixes are easy wins. Patch holes or scratches in walls and repaint rooms in neutral colors like soft grays, beiges, off-white. Neutral tones appeal to the broadest audience and make spaces often look larger and brighter. Okay, inspect your HVAC, your plumbing, and your electrical systems. If you haven't had these things cleaned or updated and things are past due, consider addressing them or have an inspection ready to reassure buyers. If you have time and budget, minor upgrades like modernizing your lighting fixtures, a little freshening up of the cabinet hardware, or updating faucets can add a fresh contemporary feel without a full remodel. The exterior of your home is the first impression, so curb appeal is critical. Lawn care. Please mow the grass, keep the walkways edged, and remove weeds. Curb appeal is huge to getting buyers interested to walk in the front door. Trim the overgrown shrubs and trees and plant colorful flowers or seasonal plants near the entrance. Pressure wash the siding, the driveway, and walkways to remove dirt, cobwebs, mildew. Make sure your front door is clean and inviting, and consider a fresh coat of paint or replacing an old doorbell. Small touches like a new welcome mat, outdoor lighting, or potted plants can add charm and warmth. Proper staging can make your home feel move-in ready and help buyers visualize living there. Arrange your furniture to highlight your home's best features and open up traffic flow. For example, remove bulky furniture or unnecessary items to create a sense of space. Use light, natural linens and curtains to brighten rooms. Add fresh flowers, plants, or a bowl of fruit in the kitchen for just a lively, inviting touch. Consider professional staging if your budget allows. Stagers do bring in the right furniture, decor, and accessories to appeal to the target buyer demographic. Don't forget lighting. Open curtains during the day and use warm lamps in the evening to make your home feel cozy and welcoming. Be careful on the color of those light bulbs. It really does make a difference. Once your home is ready, schedule professional photos. Great photos are critical for online listings, the first place buyers look. Also, try to time your listing carefully. Obviously, spring and early summer are traditionally strong selling seasons, but let's talk about what the current local market trends are. There's a lot of flexibility in that. Prepping your home takes effort, but it pays off. Clean, repair, boost curb appeal, and stage. These steps help your home sell faster and for more money. If you have a good real estate agent, they can help you with all of these phases of the process. My name is Leann Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in the South Metro Denver area.